Now, before you go out and buy the Shiba Inu Coin dip, I do want to go over some levels of technical support. And then, of course, in case we do go back up to the upside, some technical resistance in this video. But I want to start off by saying that this dip is, it's not a major sell-off in a sense that volume is not rising. For example, if volume was higher than yesterday, but we were experiencing the sell-off that we are right now, I would be a little bit alarmed, okay? But we're seeing volume that is roughly 50% lower. So to me, that doesn't indicate that a major sell-off is happening. To me, that indicates that we just don't have the interest in the buying pressure right now to alleviate or to minimize the downward pressure or negativity that some profit takers and, I think they called them paper hands back in the day, are bringing to Shiba Inu Coin in the cryptocurrency space right now. So let's discuss what it means, what levels you should be looking out for, and if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. Let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2024 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. Now, look, if you guys are brand new to investing, you don't know how or where to buy stocks in crypto, you got a link in the description below for Webull. Super simple to set up your account. Any deposit, you guys are getting at least 6 free stocks, up to 12 free stocks, and you're going to be earning 5% on your cash balances. And if I notice an uptick in affiliate usage for Webull, I will be burning Shiba Inu Coin. I'll sell some of those stocks and I will burn Shiba Inu Coin with the proceeds. So make sure to utilize that, especially if you guys want to trade SHIB with no gas fees and you want to be looking at just the spread on the Webull platform. If you guys want cryptocurrency exclusive exchanges where you can buy, sell, trade, short, leverage, all that good stuff, you got KuCoin, Binance, Coinbase, Crypto.com, Pine. There's so many links down there. Just use one of them, get some free cryptocurrency. And on top of that, thank you to everybody going out to Amazon, buying your favorite bro merch, buying your favorite SHIB merch, buying anything off of Amazon because you guys are burning Shiba Inu Coin by doing so. Look, if you plan on buying some dog food this weekend, open Amazon through that link down there. Scroll to the top of the page, buy that dog food, and you are going to burn Shiba Inu Coin by doing it. How does it work? It's an affiliate link. So Amazon says, oh, you know what? Clay Bro sent this traffic here. Let's reward him. Well, guys, you're the reason for the traffic, so let's use that affiliate commission to burn Shiba Inu Coin. And I want to say thank you guys to everybody utilizing that link down there. You are absolutely making a difference. Now, let's talk about SHIB, guys, because this price here, it's a little annoying today, right? Shiba Inu Coin back down in the 2,600 point per coin range, after floating in the 3,600 point per coin range, and topping out near the 4,600 point per coin range. So we have already experienced a very large pullback. And I will say, this pullback coincides almost perfectly with the amount of people that are out searching and the amount of people that are interested in Shiba Inu Coin on Google. If you go to Google Trend Analytics, you can see that as the price peaked, interest in SHIB peaked. As the price began to pull back, interest in SHIB began to pull back. So to me, that tells me that a lot of people that drove that price higher had no intentions of staying. They simply wanted to know what was going on, maybe bought in. As soon as it started to pull back, they're starting to sell off. But with Shiba Inu Coin at these levels, it is down nearly 10% on the day so far today, but volume is down 43%. Now, at the beginning of the video, I mentioned that this is not a major sell-off in terms of increasing volume. We're seeing a 43% reduction in the volume, and Shiba Inu Coin is doing about $1.386 billion in total trade volume over the last 24 hours. We were doing nearly a little over $2 billion yesterday, which is a very large decline when you talk about $1 billion difference. So I just don't think that we're seeing the buying pressure right now to sustain the current levels that Shiba Inu Coin has been hitting over the last couple of days and weeks. That's okay. If this was some sort of a major sell-off or crash type of event, we would be seeing higher volume on lower prices. And that is always a very dangerous situation to run into there. So knowing that we don't have that, I do believe that we are okay in that regard. Some other people, I've seen some articles, and I'm just going to go over the headline right here. I'm not going to talk too much about it. It says, what's behind SHIB's 13% sudden dip? On-chain data reveals key reasons why. And these guys go and they point towards whale purchases and whale inflows and outflows. Now, it doesn't necessarily mean that these whales are selling yet, but they are pointing to on-chain metrics that show Shiba Inu Coin is flowing from these DeFi and cold storage wallets over to centralized exchanges. And anytime you flow from a DeFi or cold storage wallet to a centralized exchange, the assumption is that you are gearing up to sell. So those could be some reasons for the price movement, but let's talk about the current levels of Shiba Inu Coin's technical analysis. Now, fortunately, if we reach a bottom and begin to bounce back up, the next range or channel that we are going to be trading in is 3,000 to 3,500 points per coin. And guys, it is okay to see a pullback to these levels, knowing that we are so close to testing such a major level of resistance. 3,500 points per coin. If Shiba Inu Coin breaks that level, we are basically going to be testing all-time highs. It is a very quick move that we saw back in 2021. It was 3 days that it took. 3 days to get to 3,500 points all the way up to 8,800 points per coin. And then, of course, yes, we did have a very steep decline after that. So that's to the upside if we begin to bounce. What you guys might be worried about is to the downside. Now, this is a little bit, not scary, but this is a little bit more concerning. Shiba Inu Coin to the downside right now, the level of support that it's first going to see is 2,000 points per coin. Why is that concerning? Because that is nearly a 30% decline from the current levels. You're looking at like a 25 to 30% decline. And that is a very steep decline before we reach a major level of support. Now, unfortunately, if it breaks that level, you're talking 1,500 points per coin. Now we're starting to gear up between a 40 and 50% decline before the second level of support comes in. Below that, back down to 1,000 points per coin. Guys, we would be back down to where Shiba Inu Coin was just last month. So there are very few levels of support. We can only hope that they hold up. Now, we might have a couple negative catalysts out there in the external world kind of pushing cryptocurrency prices lower right now. But the Bitcoin halving is on the horizon. Price predictions are positive for Shiba Inu Coin. And man, I truly believe that over time, the cryptocurrency market will absolutely continue to grow. So I still remain excited about Shiba Inu Coin, even though we are dipping right now. Let me know if you guys are excited down in the comments, and if that button right there is still red, make sure to click it, subscribe to the channel, join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. Claybro883 everywhere. 6 to 12 free stocks on Webull, KuCoin, and Binance, free Discord, and until the next time, hope to each and every one of you have an awesome day. Let's get started.